Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at client seminars and have a look at a particular seminar. So we're going to pick on characteristics of a well-run seminar, well-run business seminar. This is a 1 hour seminar, so it's a little bit easier to present in a format such as this, so that you will have an appreciation of what's contained within a seminar. So we first of all can get some generic material on a seminar. So there is a general hints on the presentation of a seminar which your presenters might find of benefit in assisting them in preparing to present a seminar. There is a seminar checklist, which is quite an extensive list of who is responsible for organising various aspects of the seminar. There are quite a number of tasks within the organisation of a seminar, and we've listed them there for you to assist in making sure everything is attended to. You need to remember that in presenting a seminar, your firm is on display, and it's very essential that everything is properly organised so that your clients and other people attending, professional colleagues and potential clients, are very happy with the overall seminar presentation. Another form which we have there, which you may care to use, is an invitation to a keynote speaker. It's up to you whether you use keynote speakers, but it's a good idea to confirm to them the invitation and the time and the subject heading that they're going to talk about, because you don't want to be promoting that a certain person's going to speak at a seminar and then for some reason that person doesn't turn up. Then we have the material that is specific to this seminar. So we're going to show you the news release. Now we know that a news release will not be able to be sent to the Sydney Morning Herald or the Age or the Courier Mail or the Australian, but in the major capital cities there are dozens of free newspapers in all the various suburban locations, and in regional and country Australia there is a thriving media industry that is always looking for information. And our experience with the media is they're very interested in anything that's targeted at small business operators, because there's thousands of small business operators out there and they want to include things in their media publications or radio or TV productions that might be of interest to a lot of their readers or viewers or listeners, whatever they may be. So the news release may be of assistance to you. There is some other information there, as you can see, including an email broadcast to promote to your clients that the seminar is being held. Obviously you have to personalize it, and I should have mentioned in the previous comment on the news release, you'd also obviously be personalizing that to suit your particular firm. We've now logged on to the paper. You would make sure you badge this before you are handing it out. This is characteristics of a well-run business. There are 20 characteristics. The papers and PowerPoint slides are together in a module, so that there's no chance of you turning up to run this seminar and then finding you've got the wrong papers or the wrong PowerPoint slides. We've gone to the trouble of putting them together in a separate module so that there's no chance of the wrong material being used. So you can see this paper goes through and analyses each of the individual characteristics that we believe a good business operator needs to have, or at least needs to have read and understood, so that they can try to adapt as many of them as they can to their own particular business performance. The next item we're going to bring up now is the PowerPoint slides. For every paper within ESS BIZTOOLS, there are a set of PowerPoint slides. You can place your logo on the slides. PowerPoint slides have been prepared primarily for seminars, but they could also be used for other purposes. Some younger accountants get a bit nervous on some of these issues, and having some slides can help them guide a group of clients through a particular subject. And many of our subscribing accountancy firms utilize this material for staff training. So the PowerPoint slides are already prepared, ready for use in presenting the seminar. So that's what's included within the characteristics of a well-run business seminar. That's very similar to what's contained in each of the other seminar packages.